You ever feel like no matter what you do, you just can't stay consistent with fitness? Yeah, I know that feeling. You start strong, you go for a week, maybe even two, and then boom, you stop working out. And suddenly it's been months since your last workout. But let's be real, it's not because you're lazy, it's not because you don't have time, it's because you keep falling in the same cycle over and over again. Let's break this down. Now here's the cycle most people get stuck in. First scenario, you're inspired, you see a fitness video, you get pumped up, you're ready to change your life. Now let's check the second scenario. Basically, you overhaul your entire life overnight. You try to change your entire life overnight. Then you burn out because you try to do so much, it feels overwhelming, then life gets busy, miss your workouts, and then suddenly you quit. You feel guilty and then you tell yourself you'll start again on Monday. But let's be real, the Monday never comes. Sounds familiar? Yeah. That cycle is why most people never stay consistent. But here's the fix. Instead of going from 0 to 100, how about you go from 0 to 10? Instead of overhauling your whole life, how about you start small? Make fitness so easy that it is impossible to fail. Instead of saying, I'm going to work out 6 days a week, how about you say, I'll do 10 minutes a day or 6 minutes a day, no matter how small. Instead of saying, I'll eat clean, I'll make sure to eat clean all day, all week, all month, all year. How about you say something like, I'll swap one unhealthy meal with a healthy meal? Because listen, consistency beats intensity every single time. A 10-minute walk every day is better than an extreme workout once in a month. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one small something that you can do every single day. Not tomorrow, not Monday, but now. So how about you drop it in the comments? What's that one small something that you intend to start doing starting from now? I'll be checking.